Okay, so here's my food. I've ordered the margarita pizza. I've had the Plancha cheeseburger pack there. I've also had the pizza margarita 100. Okay, so here's my little cheeseburger. Okay, so now I'm just at the back of the beach here at Plancha. See, it's just so busy. Beers.
Thank you very much.
This is what
yeah, beautiful by
set up for a wedding. So beautiful.
And thanks for the tips.
Musician there. Good late afternoon, early evening from Bali, Indonesia. So today I'm here in the Seminyak area of Bali. I'm currently stood on the very popular tourist beach of 66 Beach, and what I'm going to feature in this early evening or evening's video for you is my evening meal at a place called Plancha. So Plancha here on the very popular tourist beach of 66 is a very popular restaurant, probably the most popular restaurant here on 66 Beach. I've eaten here many times myself in the past. There is a minimum spend here at Plancha. It's 150,000 per person, and what I'm going to do in the video is I'm going to show you my food and drinks just to give you some idea of the quality of food and drinks at this place, and then after I've finished my food, I'm going to take you for a tour around 66 Beach, just show you some of the other restaurants here on the beach also, and try and give you a good idea of what the prices are and what you're going to be expected to pay here on the beach at 66. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and share with you my evening meal here at Plancha. Okay, so this is Plancha. You can see it's absolutely packed full with people. As I said, there is a 150k minimum spend. You can see it's so busy. Some servers, some sellers also. It's just so busy here. Okay, so now I'm just at the back of the beach here at Plancha. See, it's just so busy. All the food going out there. These are the pizzas. We also have an inside seating restaurant. You don't want to sit on the beach. So have an inside seating area. So there's the sun just about to set. Okay, so here's the menu here at Plancha. There's some of the juices and drinks and things. Here's your cocktails and also your beers here. Here's your bintang. And some of your food. I've had the Plancha cheeseburger pack there. I've also had the pizza margarita 100. Some tapas. Okay, so here's my food. I've ordered the margarita pizza, a healthy beet drink, and then we also have my burger package as well there. Cheers. So here's my heartbeat. This is called apple, beetroot, carrot, ginger, orange. Oh la la, that's super tasty. Okay, so here's my little cheeseburger. Oh, that's nice. Some fries, tomato sauce. try at this pizza now. Yeah, just standard cheese margherita pizza. Oh, very nice. Yeah, that's super tasty. A little tomato sauce in the middle. Very tasty pizza though, this. Oh yeah, that's good. So you can also get fresh coconut here as well, the plancha. Oh, that's my favourite, that. It's warm, but it's very, very nice. Sweet. Okay, so I've just finished my food here now at La Plancha. Sun has already set there. Just going to walk through the middle and take you up to the back now and show you some of the other places. See, this place is just so busy. Good luck getting a seat here, it's almost full house. See, the next door, they have live music playing there next door. Sweet Caroline on the group there. This is a place called the Champlung. There's quite a few customers inside as well there. There's a menu. Not sure the camera's picking that up. Fresh juices. Some of the soft drinks, beers. Pasta there. Some of the pizzas. Popular. So you can see we have a bit of a gap here, there's no restaurants, and then we're going to be approaching the next one in a moment. So it's super busy here. So we're just at the next place now. It's not as busy, this one. Have some music here, not live music, just a DJ. We're just coming up to our next place here. This one's got some live music again. Moving straight down the centre. This one's called Kapil Beach. Let me go. I'm leaving on a jet plane. I think that's also So minimum spend 150,000. And then we're just heading back in this direction now. This is called the Sand Beach, this one. Sand Beach has an inside seating area as well. You can see there's quite a lot of empty bean bags here. It's not as popular as La Plancha. We have lots of things flying in the sky there. It's got in my mouth. This one's called not sure what this one's called. Also live music. It's called B9B. A few sat inside as well there. So this one has these funky looking things if you're with kids. This is a great place. Blue 9 Beach. And we have a last one on the end here.
Billy's calling.
Some of the foods again. There's the beers. This one isn't minimum spend here, so this is just the price. Whatever you pay, you pay. This is called K Restro. It's inside seating now, but everyone appears to be sat outside. So have some live music on here down at the closer to the ocean. Just take you in through here. It's as though someone's having a wedding here.
Thank you very much.
This is what
Yeah, beautiful
like when
by
you settle for a wedding.
James
So,
Brown.
so beautiful.
And thanks for the tips.
Love. Oh la la. Very nice. T and K. There's all the people. It's like a wedding party, I'm pretty sure it's a wedding party. Musician there. Here we have some beautiful swings. It's the main K Restro. I'll just walk back and show you here. There's the music here. Okay, so I'll just give you my final thoughts here from my evening meal here at La Plancha. So as you saw with the camera, I had the the margarita pizza, the double twin burger pack, and also my fresh juice. All absolutely fabulous. I can't really rate this restaurant is just a fabulous restaurant here at Double Six Beach. You can see by the crowds here, it's really popular. As you saw with the camera, it's the most popular one here with the most seating, the most people. It's just seems to be a little bit more popular. I'm not saying the others on the beach also don't offer good food, because I'm sure they do. However, I've only personally ever eaten here at La Plancha. So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed this evening's video. Hope some of you find this video useful, and hopefully during your holiday stay here in Bali you get the opportunity to come and visit La Plancha or some of the other restaurants on the beach, and I shall say bye for now.